Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a screen GUI and a text label in Starter GUI so subtitles display per player. Once done, import your audio into Workspace or replicated storage and confirm its length. Next, add a local script that defines an ordered table of cues with start and end times and text. Make sure the text label is initially invisible. This prevents flashing. You're now ready to write the playback routine that syncs text to audio, so open the local script and prepare to bind the sound instance. You will now implement timing. When the local script calls sound play, start polling sound. Time position every frame or at a small interval like 0.05 seconds. Once you detect time position enters a cue start, set text label. Text invisible equals true. When it passes the cue end, hide it. Use tween service to fade alpha for smoother transitions, and make sure to clamp times to avoid jitter. Also handle overlapping cues by queuing or prioritizing the latest cue, so text doesn't flicker unexpectedly during fast dialogue. Finally, make sure you stop polling and disconnect events when the sound stops or the player leaves. Clean up to avoid memory leaks. Test and play solo and on a server to confirm audio loads quickly. Use preload to sync or keep the sound in replicated storage to reduce latency. If subtitles jitter or don't show, make sure time position precision is sufficient, text label. Z-index isn't behind other GUI, and visible is toggled correctly. If problems persist, log current time position and cue boundaries to debug timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.